everyone, happy October and welcome back to the Limoneira YouTube channel. I'm Megan Roosevelt, registered dietitian nutritionist, founder of Healthy Grocery Girl, and spokesperson for Limoneira's One World of Citrus. This month, the holiday season kicks off with Halloween, cooler weather, autumn parties, and if you're looking for a ghoulish treat that's also sweet but guilt-free, I have the perfect recipe for you today. We're making chocolate orange fudge. Also, stick around for a fun bonus recipe from this month's Collab partners. To make this recipe, you will need Limoneira navel orange juice, canned coconut milk, mini dark chocolate chips, organic sugar or coconut sugar, cacao powder, cinnamon and sea salt, and chopped pecans. Add the coconut milk, orange juice, and sugar to a soup pot. Bring to a boil, and then lower the heat and simmer for 30 to 45 minutes. You are looking to reduce the liquid down to about 2 cups. Remove the pot from the heat and add the chocolate chips, cacao powder, cinnamon, and sea salt. Stir until the chocolate chips are melted and all ingredients are fully mixed. Pour in a baking dish lined with wax paper and top with orange zest and chopped pecans. Place in the fridge and chill for at least 6 hours before cutting and serving. I am also so excited about our collab partners for today's video. Melissa Ackerman is the president of Produce Alliance, and Brittany Dobslaf is the director of client services. Produce Alliance specializes in providing fresh produce category management services, including procurement, national distribution, information services, and food safety assurance to food service clients across North America, Canada, the Caribbean, and beyond. Melissa is also the mom of 3 amazing boys, ages 7, 4, and 15 months. Brittany is mom to 2 kiddos, a 4-year-old little boy and a 16-month-old little girl. Together, they've also founded the Chaotic Commute to support working moms through shared experiences, ups and downs, and the daily grind. To learn more, check out their full bio in the video description box below.
I cannot believe that Halloween is upon us, and for the working mom, it could be a crazy time, from figuring out costumes, to parties at school, to getting candy for those trick-or-treaters. We have to be able to figure out how to make life a little less chaotic.
So whether it's a party at home or a party at school, we've got the perfect solution for you. Black lemonade. And it can even be spiked for an adult beverage.
So let's get to it and show you the perfect recipe using Limoneira lemons.
When we say simple, we mean it. Just a few easy ingredients. The juice of 2 lemons, 10 to 20 drops of stevia, a teaspoon of activated charcoal, water, and garnish.
Then you just mix it all together, pour it over some ice, and you can add a super cute straw and a mason jar or any of your favorite types of glasses to make it super cute for you, your kiddos, or anyone you want to serve it to. Cheers!
Thank you, Brittany and Melissa. Those look absolutely amazing and so festive for fall. Well, that's it for today's video. There is a link below in the video description box where you can view or print the recipe. And don't forget to look for sustainably grown Limoneira Citrus next time you head to the grocery store. You can stay connected with Limoneira on Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter, and also right here on the Limoneira YouTube channel. Don't forget to subscribe so you never miss a video. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Bye!